Drama which took place in the national capital and all across, in fact, other parts of India as well yesterday. Unprecedented scenes took place. The streets of Delhi resembled a war zone. The Aam Aadmi, enraged by the alleged detention of their chief in Modi land, went on a rampage outside the Bharatiya Janata Party's office. The party, which made allusions to Gandhian forms of protest, didn't hesitate to launch an all-out attack on the BJP yesterday. Let's get you all the details of what exactly transpired.
Streets of the national capital turned to a war zone.
नरेंद्र मोदी को माफी मांगनी चाहिए जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को उन्होंने डिटेन किया।
नरेंद्र मोदी का डर है अरविंद केजरीवाल को देखकर।
कांग्रेस और बीजेपी वाले मिले हुए हैं, ये सब आम आदमी पार्टी से डरे हुए लोग हैं।
Angered by reports of detention of Arvind Kejriwal in Modi land, Aam Aadmi Party workers laid siege to the BJP's headquarters. The Aam Aadmi Party doing what it does best, fashioning the Aam Aadmi's anger into a potent and, as was evident today, a very dangerous weapon.
And you can see that outside this particular gate of BJP headquarters, there is protest going on by Aam Aadmi Party supporters. They've gathered here in large numbers. They are protesting against BJP, against Narendra Modi. They've been shouting slogans against Narendra Modi and the BJP party. They believe that there has been an illegal detention of their leader Arvind Kejriwal, who's right now touring Gujarat. He is in Gujarat and he has been detained. BJP clearly says that this detention has happened only because there was a moral code of conduct which was in place and he was trying to violate it. He was moving with...
BJP was taken aback, but only initially, before it met the Aam Aadmi Party's fire with fire. It's the language of the mob that Kejriwal mastered to ride to the Chief Minister's office only a few weeks ago. The anger of the common man was tempered with allusions to Gandhian principles of protest. Today, the Aam Aadmi Party's mask slipped.
बीजेपी और नरेंद्र मोदी कि पुलिस के साथ मिलकर अगर गुंडागर्दी कर सकते हैं तो आम आदमी की गुंडागर्दी के खिलाफ पूरी तरीके से खड़ी होगी। अगर इसी तरीके से हिंसा का रास्ता और तानाशाही का रास्ता नरेंद्र मोदी और बीजेपी अख्तियार करती रहेगी तो हम इसी तरीके से मार खाते रहेंगे, सड़कों पर लेकिन झुकेंगे नहीं।
The BJP was caught off guard. Its leaders have issued an appeal for peace, but sources in the party claim in the coming days as the political heat intensifies, scenes like the one we saw today can't be ruled out.
BJP totally condemns this uncalled for, unprovoked attack by Aam Aadmi workers on the BJP office.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यालय के सामने हुआ तमाशा एक नोरा कुश्ती है और दोनों आदमी मिलकर जानबूझ के पब्लिसिटी के लिए इस तरह की हरकतें कर रहे हैं।
The Aam Aadmi Party maintains it was provoked. Despite condemnations, its leaders unrepentant.
जब आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग यहाँ आए और उन्होंने अपना क्रोध जाहिर किया तो उस पर पत्थर फेंके गए तो उसका भी तो वो भी एक उत्तेजक कदम है।
I don't understand the history when advocating because the Delhi police seems to want to protect the BJP office against the normal politics of Aam Aadmi Party.
The police have lodged a case against the Aam Aadmi Party, but the armed supporters not on the streets today are worried. The unruly scenes have raised several questions, including if the party was hurt at Kejriwal's detention, why did it not approach the Election Commission? Why did its leaders present today not calm the crowds? Or is it that the genie is out of the bottle and Kejriwal cannot put it back in? With Atish Srivastava, Bureau Report, Newsx.
Shocking scenes really playing out yesterday in the national capital and of course other parts of India as well. Well,